everyone, my name is Merisa Sirait from Class B English Literature. In this video, I will compare the voice of a native speaker and a woman or me saying the word food. I will also explain a little bit about Pratt.
Pratt is a freeware program for the analysis and reconstruction of acoustic speech signals. You can analyze, synthesize, manipulate speech, and create high-quality pictures for your articles and thesis with it. Pratt was developed at the University of Amsterdam by Paul Boersma and David Winnick. So first, we open the Pratt application. To add the sound, we can add new recording by clicking the new icon, or we can also open the sound that we already saved in our file. I already have mine here, the native speaker and the woman. So first, to get the pitch, we click on the native speaker, click view and edit, and we can cut the unwanted part here. So to get the pitch, first we block the part that we want to get the pitch, click the pitch, and then click get pitch. Now we copy this to the table. And to get the intensity, we click the intensity and then click get intensity. And we will do the same. And for the duration, we can see here. And now to get the average fundamental frequency and pitch sigma, we click the sound and then we click analyze periodicity, click to pitch, and then click OK. Now we click the pitch native speaker and then click view and edit. And then we click the query and then pitch info. Here we will get some information about the sound. For the average fundamental frequency, we copy paste this part. And for the pitch sigma, we will copy this part, the standard deviation. Now we already have the pitch, intensity, duration, average fundamental frequency, and pitch sigma for the native speaker. And we will do the same to the woman sound. I've done the same for the woman's voice, and now we already have the comparison between both voices. We can see here that the woman's pitch is higher than the native speaker. The intensity is also higher, but the native speaker duration is longer than the woman's duration, And for the average fundamental frequency, the woman's voice is higher. But for the pitch sigma, native speaker's pitch sigma is higher than the woman. That's all for this video. Thank you so much for your attention.